Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a credit card account alert for a change in credit card pin on your Atlas. All right, it's going to be a really quick video. We're not going to waste any more time. Let's just jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Atlas account. You can log into your Atlas account on the online banking platform. That's the Atlas website, or you could choose to log in on the Atlas mobile app. Now, once you're logged into your account, just select the credit card accounts that you want to set up a credit card pin change alert for, and then you're going to click on account alerts, and then you can select the credit card pin change alert option. Once you have that selected, you're going to review and customize the alert settings to your preference. And once that's done, you want to confirm the account alert settings and review the alert preference one more time just to make sure you had everything properly set up. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a credit card account alert for a change in credit card pin on your Atlas. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll catch you guys